Doing an unboxing video. It's not a reptile, it's a carnivorous plant that I got from Sarracenia Northwest or cobraplant.com. I'm doing this with one hand, so just if I'm too shaky, sorry. And this plant is a Drosera Capensis Red. I fell in love with this one. Hopefully it's in good condition. This is my first time buying carnivorous plant from this website, so hopefully it's okay. And this is cobraplant.com. Just information on the what I bought and everything. Here's how to unpack the plants, tropical sundews and butterworts, and bubble wrap. Oh my god. Okay, get that out of the way. Drosera Capensis Red leaf. And it's in its pot, so it's not touching anything if I move it around a lot. I'm gonna pause this real quick. Okay, here it is. It's Drosera Capensis Red. Looks pretty healthy. I thought it was gonna be fully red, but it's kind of mixture of both, which is that's okay. I actually wanted it like this better because my favorite colors are green and red. So that's an unboxing video from cobraplant.com, Sarracenia Northwest. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.